Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get Lebara eSIM in UK. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So if you have been wanting to have a eSIM, what all you have to do is whether you can go to your website or browser and simply type in lebara.com to access their plans and browse through to purchase it, or you can simply install the Lebara app on your mobile phone by going to a Play Store or App Store according to your device preference and type in Lebara and get your app. Once you have done so, you can go ahead, open up either the browser, either the app, and here in this section you can see your plans we do have below. Right here in this section, the plans that you're going to find, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on any of the plans that is desirable to you. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to find this option of applying for a particular Lebara eSIM. Once you tap on apply now, you will be able to enter the information and apply for it and purchase a eSIM virtual SIM card. And if you're already a SIM card user and if you would like to just change your SIM or swap it, all you have to do, once you have access and tap on your plan, then in the section you will be able to find your plan on top, and below section you can see this SIM swap. Once you have tapped on the SIM swap, it will show you the information of your current SIM and the add additional option where you have to add the eSIM, other eSIMs information, or if you would like to get another one, you will find another SIM is you can get other one and you can simply swap it as well. Once you have confirmed the changes, your other SIM will be swapped and the changes will be saved as well. So that is a simple way for you to get. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.